Retail Daddy 1.7 retail billing software now available on Kuwait, Bahrain and Oman. Now you may think that what is a significant change from India or from other countries? What is the speciality for this particular three countries? Yes, there is something special. The decimal. For example, in India, 100 paisa is 1 rupee, right? In these particular three countries, Kuwait, Bahrain and Oman, 1000 paisa is 1 dirham or real or whatever it is. So the interface, software interface, the usage and the technologies all remain same. The only change is that the currency decimal. So for the tutorial sections, you can watch even India edition, the GST edition as well. But for this particular countries, we are providing 3 decimal softwares. Kuwait, Bahrain, Oman. Now, how we can use a software? How we can upload products in the software? How you can create invoice? How to create how to get reports and records? These all things we are going to study in this video in a very short time, very quickly. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram and YouTube as well. And let's start. To add a product to the software, it's very simple, quite simple. Let me show you. Add a product like this, click over here. Just click on new and type your product name directly. For example, pencil. P-E-N-C-I-L, pencil. Enter and the price we will put like that. Yani 2 real 350 fills. Okay. Enter. Opening stock, for example, 100 pieces. And MRP, for example, your price is, for example, 2 real 900 paisa, 900 fills. And the selling price, the offer price, 2 real 750 fills. Enter, successfully saved. You successfully added a product to the software, including the stock. That's it. That's the simplicity in retail and billing software. Let me go to the sales panel and create a new invoice. In front of you, go to the sales panel and you can search the product directly over here. For example, pencil, enter, and the price is already came 2 dinar, 750 fills. And you can click only one button and your invoice will be ready over here. You can create invoice in multiple formats. Here you can see 750 quantity, 1 piece, see 750, the price also like that. See the offer price is different. For example, if you want to make different template, there is a lot of templates are available, build design. Go to another design and click on apply. There are so many designs are available, build design, click on that, see the multiple designs available. You can choose which one you prefer. And there is so many templates in the A4 as well available. A4 size, the bigger size. You can print in the laser printer or inkjet printer or whatever. And A5 size also, it is a half size of A4 size. You can select any invoice and apply. Now, I just apply this template and click on that. You go to the sale panel. I am selling pencil. Pen also we will sell. Pen, pen, sell pencil, everything you can sell it. Quick pay. Click on the quick pay button and here it is. Like that. See? The price is always in the 3 decimal. That's the technology. And whatever the currency symbol or whatever we need to change, we can do customize in the bill format. For example, you have you need a complete Arabic English comparison format. Of course, our engineers they can edit for you based on your requirement. For example, some countries they need only in Arabic the bill printout, completely Arabic. We can do that. And if you need Arabic and English mix, of course, we can do that. And we have one technology that all the products, whatever the products you are adding in the software, automatically it will convert into Arabic. That technology also is there. You can watch our India GST software there. We already shown the demonstration for that technology. And whatever you are selling, product selling, and any reports, everything you will get in the software. And one more thing, if you want to create any barcode label, go to again that same page. Here you can print your barcode as well directly. You can choose multiple template. Let me select barcode template directly over here. Go to the barcode section. I will apply one template. Like this one is better, I think. Apply and okay. Go to the product add page again, like that, product add page, and click your barcode. See, the template design change. For example, you need different style template, different format, whatever it is, we can make it. We can customize it. The size, like 2 inch by 1 inch, or 1 inch by 1 inch, whatever it is, completely it is customizable. And currently in our software, we added multiple templates for the barcode label printing. But as I told you, as per your requirement, we can do the customization. And there is one more revolutionary technology we added with Retail Daddy 1.7, Kuwait, Bahrain, Oman software, that Gorilla technology. What is that? Gorilla. It's a wonderful technology. For example, you have a very big shop. You cannot add all these products into the software, like inventory. You cannot upload your inventory. In that case, you can use Gorilla technology. Gorilla technology, we already made multiple videos. Please watch this video in our channel. Directly, you can add only one product and you can sell, 100, 200 different products. That's a technology. At the time of selling, you can directly put your price and you can sell it. And let me come back to the, software again. Like, for example, now we saw one by one single product upload. We need to see how we can upload bulk products. Let me show you something. Before that, go to the records. We can see the current stock records over here. How many products is here now? Only 2 products, right? Only 2 products. Now, I created already some categories over here, subcategories. Like 3-4 subcategories I already added. We can add it here directly. And on the subcategory, I am uploading some products from Excel sheet, bulk upload. How it is that? Let me show you. For example, there is one Excel sheet I prepared over here, like in the download section, in the PC, like downloads. Here it is, product format. See, there is some products are here, product name, and the subcategory ID, the prices. See, the prices also is now in the 3 decimal. Go there. If you have any tax in future, if you are getting any tax, you can add even tax as well. The option is already there, and you can put your unit over there, pieces, whatever it is, and your MRP and sales price, everything you can mention over here, and opening stock you can mention over here in the Excel sheet. Close it, completely close it. Go to the Retail Daddy. Go to the import export section, import and export section. And before going to import, I will show you something. There is a 2 sales panel in the Retail Daddy. One is this one is this one. Why 2 sales panel? Like here, the traditional sales panel which people they are using, and this is the sales panel is with touch interface. Don't worry, the images will come automatically. I will show you. In this touch interface, there is currently how many categories there is there? Only 1 category and 2 products without image. And we have AI technology to upload all the images. Don't worry, I will show you. Let's import all those products. Import, export, products. I'll go to the product sections and click on import. In the downloads, where it is, downloads, product command, product format. And all the products came here directly. Let me click on the save button over here, like it's successfully saved. And Go to your sales panel again, the touch interface sales panel or Rubik POS. Now see, so many categories came here. Click on that. There is so many products. Click on that and click on grocery. Click on vegetables. So many things are there. So how to upload the images? It's very simple. You can click on this button over here and which category you want to update. Fruits, click on the fruits. Wait for maybe 30 to 50 seconds. The images will update automatically. You can see over there. And you will get all the stock informations, everything you will get in the software in front. It's updating in the back end. It is finding the exact images. See, all the images is updated automatically. Now go to the bakery section. Like now still it is updating the bakery section. Let me go to the bakery section. There is some few products updated and the balance is going to update. Click on that and click on the bakery section. It's working. In the back end, back end, there is a server is there. It's connecting to the Google Image Gallery. So you click on the bakery again. See, all the images is updated automatically, successfully completed. Nice, no? So you don't want to go for, one by one product, download, upload. It's a horrible task basically. Nowadays in 2025, Retail Daddy's software can automatically download all your images from the Google Image Gallery and update in your software. And it's very simple. Just to touch it like that. For example, fruits. You can connect with the fruits in the kg. Now let me switch off the. Yes, touch it like that. From the beginning, I will show you. Click on the new, like this, touch it. A bakery, touch the product like that, and click on this button directly. And the quick pay button. See your invoice is here. You can print it like that. Very easiest way. See this. It's that much simple as this. So thank you so much for watching this video. For more inquiries, for example, if you need a demonstration of the software, you can call us directly. RAINTECH Software Limited. Welcome to Retail Daddy.